Alright, so I definitely just went through like probably about, I don't know, maybe 5 or so minutes of explanation before I realized that I was not recording this. So, let's do problem 9. I feel like I have a radio correspondence voice right now. Alright, problem 9a. 2 times f of g of 1. That says, go to the innermost function first, which is g of 1. Go to the x value of 1. What is the value of g? It is -1. So a becomes 2 times f of g of 1 we found to be -1. Well, what is f of -1? That says, go to the x value of -1. What is the value of f? It is 6. So this becomes 2 times, I keep ruining things. 2 times 6, which is 12 for A. What about B? B says g of 3. Well, go to the x value of 3. What is g? G has a value of -2. So -2 times f of 0. Go to the x value of 0. Find the value for f. -1. Right there. Minus f of -2. Go to the x value of -2. What's the value of f? It is 5. And let's simplify. -2 times -1 is +2. Minus 5 is -3. What about C? Well, C, we're dealing with inverses. Let's go ahead and erase this stuff here, because it's all messy and crazy and confusing. So, C says f inverse of 5. That means, instead of an x value of 5, use the spot where f has a value of 5. The y value is 5 right there. What's the corresponding x value? It is -2. So we have -2 times g inverse of -2. Where does g have a value of -2? Right there, when x is 3. So we're multiplying -2 times 3 to get -6. Oh, what about D? Well, D says -g of f inverse of g inverse of -1. Go to the innermost function first. G inverse of -1 is saying, hey, if g has a value, a y value of -1, what's the x value? Well, g has a y value of -1 right there. The x value is 1. So this becomes -g of f inverse of +1. So go to the innermost function again, f inverse of 1. That says, go to the function f, find where it has a value of 1 right there, use the corresponding x value, which is 3. So now -g of 3. And so this finally says, where does g have a value of 3? Lies! It doesn't say that. It says, go to the x value of 3, which is too messy to see right now. Go to the x value of 3, find the value for g, which is -2. So we have -2 gives us +2. There you have it, A, B, C, and D.